All right, good afternoon, you guys. I just tried out this, it's a grafting tool, a cutting tool made by FUNTECK. They came recommended by, I forget who, but anyway, okay, right here, there's an indentation, and so you put your branch in there, in that groove like that, and you cut, okay? Or, I mean, you're gonna cut on the tree, or maybe, I don't know. Anyway, so you're going to cut your branch with that tool, and it does this. See, it has that little, isn't that brilliant? Someone did that? Sliced nicely. So this is the kit that it comes with. This knife, it's pretty heavy. It's not sharp at all. Extra blades, and then tools to change those blades out with. But if anyone is interested in grafting, you may be interested in investing in this. I do not remember how much that it was. I will look and put it in the description. All right. Lord bless you guys. Have a blessed day.